Hello बच्चों, let's see the question, and the question says that equation of normal at a point on parabola y square is equal to 36x whose ordinate is 3 times its abscissa. Ordinate means y-axis and abscissa means x-axis is, you have given here 4 options and you have to tell which one is the equation of normal. Okay, so key concept for this question is, first of all, abscissa means x-axis, okay, and ordinate means y-axis. Okay, so key concept for this question is equation of normal of curve y is equal to fx. Let's say this is any curve at a point, let us say a point is x1 and y1. Okay, so equation of normal will be y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx. Okay, and at a point, किस point पे check करना है हमको, x1 comma y1 multiply by x minus x1. That is the equation of normal at a point of any curve y is equal to fx. Okay, so in this question we have given curve, that is we have a parabola, that is y square is equal to 36x. Okay, so from here if we compare this equation of parabola to the general equation of a parabola whose vertex is at a origin, so value of a will be कितना हो जाएगा, that will be 9. And we have given our equation of a normal passes through कैसे पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है, जिसका ऑर्डिनेट क्या है, एब्सिसा से क्या है, 3 टाइम्स ज्यादा है. सो लेट्स से एब्सिसा अगर x है तो ऑर्डिनेट कितना हो जाएगा हमारे पास, 3x. ओके, सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स. तो ये जो पॉइंट्स हैं ये आपके पैराबोला की इक्वेशन को भी सेटिस्फाई करेंगे, क्योंकि नॉर्मल किसका फाइंड कर रहे हैं हम, एक ऐसे पॉइंट का नॉर्मल फाइंड कर रहे हैं जो किस पे लाई कर रहा है, आपके पैराबोला पे लाई कर रहा है. सो वी कैन से दैट we have a equation of parabola y square is equal to 36x. So after putting the value of these points, then 3x square is equal to 36x into x. We have 9x square is equal to 36x. Okay, then we have here 9x square minus 36x is equal to 0. Taking 9x common, we have x minus 4 is equal to 0, implies that we have x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. तो x is equal to 0 क्या हो जाएगा, ओरिजिन से आपका पास होगा, क्योंकि अगर x की वैल्यू 0 होगी तो y की वैल्यू भी 0 होगी. तो हम कौन सी कंडीशन यहाँ पे लेंगे, x is equal to 4. So if x is equal to 4, then we have y is equal to 12. Given here point, our point will be 4. So equation of normal will be that is y minus 1 upon dy by dx, and dy by dx कितना आ गया आपके पास, so that will be 3 by 2. Okay, and multiply by x minus x1. So after putting the value of x1 and y1, we have y minus 12 and x minus multiply by x minus 4. So after solving this equation, our equation will be 3y minus 36 is equal to that will be minus of 2x and plus 8. Okay, so our equation will be 2x plus 3y minus of 36 and minus of 8 कितना हो जाएगा, minus of 44 is equal to 0. So that will be our equation of a normal, okay, whose passes through to given point. So which option correct? So our option number C will be correct option. Okay, so I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.